Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool music bar right here, if you can see, is from the brand right here. And basically what this is a USB surge protector that has a bunch of these USB options and a few other plug outlets. So these are actually really convenient if you guys need a lot more plug outlets, like these regular outlets and the USB outlets right here. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, when you guys first open the product, you see that it's all nicely wrapped. Let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they definitely have the logo right here, and then they have a bunch of these plug outlets like I mentioned. So there's one right here, one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here for a total of 5 of these. And there's a bunch of these USB outlets right here as well. So there's 1, 2, 3 of these USB outlets right here, and 1 USB-C outlet right here. So this is basically what it looks like in the front. When we turn it in the back, you guys can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So when you guys purchase this product, you definitely want to make sure this fits into the wall outlet or your plug outlet, because if you guys don't have the correct one that's not rounded, it's not designed like this, they will not fit. And then the way how to design the USB outlet right here, it actually shares a total of 4.58 charge speed. So if you guys want to charge multiple devices at the same time, that's definitely something to kind of consider and remember. But in terms of like the protection and everything, they definitely have like the fireproof, the overheat protection, overcharge protection, and the list goes on. So if you see the way how to design this part right here, it definitely has that space in between. So that way you guys actually have room to actually plug in multiple cables at the same time, especially if your cable is much bigger or bulkier. So this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually go plug this into the wall outlet and see how it works and whether it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. Alright, so we got our wall outlet right here. So what I want to do is just plug it in the back right here. Alright, so once you guys plug it in, this is basically what it actually looks like. You can definitely see the light on here pops on, and that is basically how you guys know the product is working. So let's test some of these outlets right here and see how it works. So first I'm plugging my power bank that we have right here that works as a wall charger. So you guys probably can't see from this angle, so I'm actually bringing the camera over. Alright, so you see that that is working. So it is charging my wall charger or power bank that we have right here. But let's test out some of the other outlets here as well. So I got a bunch of these cables right here. Let's test it out. So the first one I want to test out is the iPhone cable right here. Alright, so that definitely does work. Next, let's test out the USB-C option. We'll plug into my power bank that we have right here. Alright, so you see that that works as well. Plug in another USB, and we'll use that to charge my little fan that we have right here. Alright, so you see the red indicator right there to show you guys that that is charging as well. So you can definitely see that when we use all the USB outlets right here and also the USB-C option, we can definitely still charge all devices at the same time. If you guys want to use these 2 other outlets here and these 2 other outlets here, you can definitely use that as well. And if you guys do decide to use all these plugs out right here, you don't have to worry about it overheating or anything, because it definitely have that overcharge, over voltage, and overheating protection on here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys can test out the product and definitely see it actually does work and actually quite well. Super easy to use. Literally all you need to do is plug this into your wall outlet, and then definitely use all of the plug outlets on here, ranging from the AC outlets to the USB-C outlet and also the USB outlet as well. If you can see from the video, the product is actually so convenient, so that way you guys actually use a lot more devices to plug it in there if you guys want to. And this is actually pretty convenient, so that way you guys don't have to buy like the power strip and everything. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want more or need one of these, especially if you guys need to plug in a lot more stuff into your outlet, such as like USB plugs or like USB-C plugs. And especially if you guys need to plug in more than 2 of the AC outlets, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.